unmistakably Italian. For American eyes used to long-hood muscle cars or wide-bodied exotics, the 296 GTB brings a refreshing tightness to the supercar language. It's shorter than a Ferrari F8 Tributo, yet wider, with a curvaceous rear end and concave rear window reminiscent of vintage sports prototypes. The front fascia is sharp and clean, featuring a lower, aggressive nose and distinctive headlights. Flush door handles and air intakes integrated into the bodywork keep the design sleek, while active aerodynamic elements, including a retractable rear wing, balance form with high-speed function. Every surface seems to serve both beauty and performance. But while the design is a triumph on the outside, some might find the GTB's minimalistic exterior slightly tame compared to more extroverted rivals like the Lamborghini Huracan Technica or McLaren Artura. It's beautiful, no doubt, but also subtle. Powertrain and performance. Underneath its sculpted body lies a revolutionary heart. A 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6 paired with a plug-in hybrid system. This marks a bold departure for Ferrari, moving away from traditional V8s in its mid-engine line. But don't let the cylinder count fool you. This V6 hybrid delivers a jaw-dropping 819 horsepower combined, sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The engine's red line is set at 8,500 RPM, and the sound it produces, though digitally enhanced, is high-pitched and thrilling. Inspired by classic Ferrari V12s, ferocious. It's agile, planted, and razor-sharp through corners. The brakes, massive carbon ceramics, provide ample stopping power, though some drivers report a lack of feel in hybrid mode, where the transition between regenerative and mechanical braking can feel inconsistent. Interior and driver interface. Step inside the 296 GTB, and you're met with a tech-forward, minimalist cockpit that aims to wrap the driver in futuristic control. There's no traditional central infotainment screen. Instead, everything is controlled via capacitive touch surfaces and a digital cluster behind the steering wheel. This includes climate controls, mirror adjustment, and even the start button, all via haptic feedback. And here's where some of the significant criticisms emerge. American drivers, often used to physical knobs and intuitive controls, may find the touch-sensitive steering wheel fiddly and unintuitive. Turn signals, wipers, and driving modes all live on the wheel, and without tactile feedback, it's easy to miss inputs or take your eyes off the road. Reviewers from outlets like Motor Trend and Parker's have noted that the interface can feel over-engineered. The controls occasionally lag. The layout requires a steep learning curve. Ride, comfort, and practicality. The 296 GTB is not a grand tour. It's a purebred sports car. That means a firm ride, especially with the track-focused Assetto Fiorano package. The standard carbon fiber racing seats offer excellent lateral support, but can feel stiff on longer journeys. Taller drivers might also find the seating position a bit snug, given the compact cabin layout. Despite its PHEV nature, the 296 offers only modest luggage space, enough for a weekend bag, not much more. And while it can drive silently in electric mode, the small 7.45 kilowatt-hour battery means you're limited to very short EV-only trips, ownership experience, and usability. Here's where Ferrari's innovation can become a double-edged sword. The hybrid powertrain brings complexity, routine servicing, and potential repairs, especially for the battery system, can be costly. Owners have reported extremely high prices for replacement parts like rotors or brake pads, with some track users citing where costs in the tens of thousands of dollars. Additionally, depreciation is something to keep in mind. While the 296 GTB is a technological marvel, its resale value can drop quickly compared to limited production Ferraris. And while the car excels in performance and presence, many enthusiasts feel the user interface needs refinement. From a usability standpoint, the GTB's tech suite often feels like it's fighting the driver rather than helping them. Final thoughts. The Ferrari 296 GTB is a milestone, not just for Ferrari, but for the evolution of the modern supercar. It's a hybrid that doesn't compromise on excitement. It brings Ferrari's racing soul into a new era of electrification, wrapping it all in a shape that's both beautiful and purposeful. But for American buyers seeking everyday usability, intuitive tech, or a bit more comfort, the 296 GTB may ask for a few compromises. It's not perfect, but like every true Ferrari, it dares to innovate, even if that means ruffling a few feathers along the way.